Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a homemade AC. Gather materials and set up a clear workspace, then assemble parts step by step with safety in mind. Cut the cooler for the fan, add ice or frozen bottles, and route airflow through PVC or flexible ducting. Seal openings to force air across the cooling medium, monitor condensation, and adjust fan speed for comfort and efficiency while testing performance. Begin by preparing the cooler and fan, ensuring a snug fit and proper sealing around the fan housing. Place frozen bottles or ice packs inside and arrange them to maximize exposed cooling surface area. Attach ducting to the outlet and tape all seams to prevent leaks. Power the fan with a safe extension or outlet and monitor airflow direction. Adjust ice quantity and fan speed to find an effective balance between cooling and runtime. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum can save time on cleaning so you can focus on DIY cooling projects. It offers voice control and smart mapping that makes household chores effortless, and it pairs surprisingly well with workshop cleanliness. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Check safety first and ensure power sources can handle the fan and any pump without overloading circuits. Place the unit on a stable surface and elevate the cooler slightly to allow drainage and airflow. Adjust fan speed and ice quantity to balance cooling versus run time. Measure room temperature before and after to evaluate performance, and never leave the device unattended while operating near water. Use a timer or smart plug to prevent moisture buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.